Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to get a golden apple enchanted in Minecraft. I will show you how to do it, so you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So there was in earlier versions was option to create enchanted golden apple in that way, but they removed it, and only one option to get enchanted golden apple is very low but possible. The only sources are loot chests of desert temples 2 and 6%, dungeons 3%, mines shafts 1%, woodland mansions 3%, ruined portals 1%, and bastion remnants 6%. And that's the only way to have enchanted golden apple in Minecraft. Okay, and that's all in this video. I hope that I help you. You may also leave like, subscribe, write a comment, share to others. Bye bye, and see you next time in other videos. Thanks.